What's the meaning of biretta? Biretta. Biretta.
Biretta. Biretta. A biretta is a form of headwear traditionally worn by Roman Catholic clergy. It is a square cap with 3 or 4 peaks and is usually made of black or white silk or wool. The number of peaks signifies the rank of the wearer, with 3 peaks being worn by priests and 4 by bishops and above. The biretta is often worn during liturgical ceremonies such as Mass and is removed when the wearer prays or speaks to the congregation. In addition to its religious significance, the biretta has also been adopted by academic institutions as part of their academic regalia and is worn by graduates and professors at convocations and other formal events.